Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a step-by-step process, and anyone can achieve it, including you? In today's video, I'm going to break down 5 simple yet powerful steps that can lead you to financial freedom. These are practical, real-world strategies that you can start applying right now. No fancy degrees, no complicated jargon. Step 1. Track every rupee in dollar. You can't control what you don't measure. Start by tracking every single expense, even that daily cup of tea or coffee. Use apps like Good Budget, Money Manager, or even a simple notebook. This will open your eyes to where your money is really going. Step 2. Create a budget that actually works. Now that you know where your money is going, create a budget. Not one that feels like a punishment, but one that supports your goals. Allocate funds for savings, investments, and enjoyment. Yes, you should enjoy your money too. Step 3. Build multiple streams of income. This is a game changer. Don't rely on just one salary. Start a side hustle, sell a skill online, invest in dividend stocks, or explore affiliate marketing. The key is to earn while you sleep. Step 4. Kill bad debt, grow good debt. Not all debt is bad. Eliminate high-interest debt like credit cards first. But if you can borrow to invest in an income-generating asset like a small business or real estate, that's smart debt working for you. Step 5. Invest early and consistently. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Use compound interest to your advantage. Even small monthly investments in mutual funds, index funds, or real estate can add up massively over the years. Quick question. Which of these steps do you struggle with the most? Comment below. I read every response and I'd love to help. Here's a bonus tip. Surround yourself with people who have a financial growth mindset. What you watch, read, and listen to shapes your money habits more than you think. If you found